Hello friends, today I am driving mini car on seaside and jumping on the road off-road and my car tire puncture. Now I will try to change tires and will fill air in the mini car tire by some tactics, and I am pushing air pump to fill the air in the tire slowly. I am trying pushing pump and filling air in the tire, and now is almost completing tire changing over now. Now I am again started, and there is big obstacle, wood obstacle. I'm pushing into the hole. Now I cross this obstacle. Now I am enjoying driving. Now my car is heat up. I will cool down the engine of my mini car slowly. Now I filling water in coolant water in the water tanky, and I am filling engine oil. No, again brake oil filling. No, my mini car is ready, and there is big ball in front of me. Oh, no, I am feeling very happy. Completed level 1 game. Thank you so much. Excellent.